Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Finastra Financial Software Review My Usage Experience. Finastra Financial Software Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and comparing various financial software solutions. Its main purpose is to help businesses and individuals research and select the right financial software to meet their needs. The target audience includes financial professionals, business owners, and anyone looking to improve their financial management systems. Key features likely include software comparisons, user reviews, and potentially ratings and rankings. Their website provides details on specific features and available software. Finastra's website highlights the comprehensive nature of their reviews, aiming to provide unbiased comparisons. They emphasize ease of use in navigating their database of software solutions. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly mentioned on their site, however, access to their comparison tools seems to be the primary cost consideration. The platform's strength lies in its aggregation of user reviews and detailed software specifications, offering a holistic view compared to simply relying on individual vendor websites. Availability is straightforward, access is granted through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Finastra Financial Software Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The website is well designed and intuitive. I was looking for a new accounting software solution for my small business, and I found Finastra's platform incredibly helpful. I easily filtered results based on features like integration capabilities and user interface preferences. The interface itself is clean and user-friendly, navigating between different software profiles was seamless. I really appreciated the detailed specifications provided for each software, including pricing models and system requirements. The performance was excellent, the site loaded quickly, and searches returned relevant results instantly. I had a quick question about a specific software's compatibility with my current system, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the reviews were, offering insights from users with diverse backgrounds and perspectives. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, making it slightly less convenient for on-the-go research. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Finastra Financial Software Review My Usage Experience. It significantly streamlined my software research process, saving me considerable time and effort. That's my overview of Finastra Financial Software Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.